Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you find all accounts that are linked to your email to protect your basically privacy? Well, let's go ahead and open our email here. Doesn't really matter where you open it, whether it's in PC or in this case, let's use the mobile device here so that you guys could see. So as you can see here, click on this icon right here that has your name, and basically these are the devices, the names of the accounts that are linked to your device. So you could basically click on whatever it is you'd like to in preference here. And in Google also, you could also find the accounts. As you can see, I've logged into Google, and Google is the only thing that I've opened. But if you have other apps like games, it'll automatically appear here where the Google's appearing. So that's just basically it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.